Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS IAM users for S3 access step by step clearly. To authorize AWS IAM users for S3 access, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the Services menu. In the IAM dashboard, click on Users located in the left sidebar. Select the user you want to authorize for S3 access from the list. Once in the User Details page, click on the Permissions tab. Next, press the Add Permissions button. Choose to attach existing policies directly. In the search bar, type S3 to filter the available policies. From the list of policies, select Amazon's 3 Full Access for full access or Amazon's 3 Read-Only Access for read-only access. After selecting the appropriate policy, click the Next, Review button. Review the permissions you are about to grant. If everything looks correct, click the Add Permissions button to finalize the changes. Now, return to the IAM dashboard and click on Policies in the left sidebar to create a custom policy if needed. Select Create Policy, which will open the visual editor. Choose the JSON tab and input your custom permissions for S3 access. Make sure to define the effect as Allow, and specify the actions and resources as needed. Once your policy is defined, click the Review Policy button. Provide a name and description for your new policy. Click Create Policy to finish the process. Return to the Users page and select the user again. Click the Add Permissions button and choose Attach Existing Policies directly. Search for your newly created policy and select it. Then, click Next, review your selections, and click Add Permissions to apply. To test whether your user has the appropriate S3 access, log in as that user. Try accessing S3 from the AWS Management Console. Verify that the user can perform the actions you authorized. You have now successfully authorized AWS IAM users for S3 access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.